What's up, guys? It's the Eagle back here with another episode of Eagle Tech Talk. As you see, we are back here at the beautiful Fort Christmas Historical Park. So let's not waste any time. Let's jump right into it. We finally got the Moment photo case for the S10 Plus. Let's go ahead and open it up. See, not much to it. Same as with any of their previous cases. You got the nice shot on Moment thing on the back of it. Alright, and then we also, this time around, we got the Moment Counterweight. So I could actually use my Moment lenses with my DJI Osmo Mobile 2. Because, you know, by themselves, the phone with the lenses are pretty heavy. So the motor on the Osmo Mobile 2 is not enough to counteract that weight. If you look, see? Alright guys, I'm looking forward to testing this phone out with the new lenses. Let's go ahead and jump into some footage. Alright guys, we are going to start with our first lens here at the schoolhouse. This is with the Moment wide lens. Looks good. Now, the S10 Plus case from Moment does not have a space for the built-in wide, because with that on top of wide lens would just be too much distortion. But this looks good. Look at this. Let me know what you guys think in the comments there, but yeah. Plus with this being super stable, since the optical image stabilization built into pretty much any smartphones isn't that as great as using a gimbal. And again, this was the Moment wide lens. All right, let's go ahead and switch over to the Superfish. All right, guys, here we are with the Moment Superfish. As you see with this, you kind of get the gimbal arm in there if we, depending on the angle you have it at, but if we switch it over to see, you don't get it as bad when you do flashlight mode, but look at this. The Superfish has a really good look on it. I like this. Oh, I didn't mention before, but I'm trying something different with the audio in this episode of Eagle Tech Talk, so let me know how it sounds. I want to make sure you guys can hear me clearly. I know I've had issues in previous videos with traffic and whatnot, so let's see how well this works out. Alright guys, and that was the Moment Superfish.